What's up everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you two of the finest coupon codes through which you can save maximum amount of money when you buy your hosting from HostingUp, plus a special discounting to get additional discount. So guys, the procedure is very easy. What you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description of this video. Once you click on exclusive link, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an amazing deal. Don't worry, you can apply this coupon code in any of your plan. If you scroll below, you may see that Hostinger has amazing reviews like WordPress or different websites says that Hostinger is a very good hosting company. If you scroll below, you can see the three most popular plan. Now the best thing about Hostinger is that all of the plans come with 30 days money back, so you can buy with confidence to get this coupon code discount. And there are few things which Hostinger has very good, and these were one of the few reasons which is why I opted for Hostinger. Like Hostinger has fast, secure and reliable servers, and you can getting free domains with all of the annual plans. And if you are coming from another hosting company, they also have a website migration service which can easily transfer your website, that too free of cost, to Hostinger. Whether it 1 or 100, they are going to free transfer all of the websites, and that too free of cost. And the Hostinger also do not compromise on speed, reliability and efficiency. Plus the security features are just mind-blowing. You're getting so many security features like automatic backups, SSL security certificates, and DDoS attack prevention through the Cloudflare protected name service. And 3 million plus people are using Hostinger as a primary hosting company, and even I'm using it. And if you want to join this Hostinger family, make sure to click on the link in the description and then move on to the payment. These popular plan, you can choose any as per your convenience. Now if you ask me, I recommend you to offer the premium or business plan because they are good on budget and has almost everything you may need it. So simply select the choose plan with any plan after doing a thorough research and comparison and analysis of all the plans. Once you select the choose plan, you will be redirected over here. Here you can see that this is a limited time special deal for my audience, so guys, grab it. So select your billing period. Hostinger offer a variety of billing periods. You can choose any as per convenience, but if you ask me, I recommend you to opt for the 48 months because these are the one-time deals and won't appear again, so take the maximum out of it. I have to select the billing period, select they have a coupon code, and try this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with the special discount link. So once you apply this coupon code, you're gonna see that your price got a further discount on already running discount deal. And now there is another one as well, and it is with the name of HI10. So you can choose any as per your convenience to get this amazing discount. So once you apply it, you're gonna see that your price got a further discount. After this, simply select the continue over here. Once you select the continue, you being redirected over here. Here you can see your order summary. Now write your billing details over here. After this, simply select the continue over here. Once you select the continue, now move on to the payment method. You can see your coupon code discount is already loaded, so you can choose any of the payment method listed to get this discount. So let's say we're going to credit card. Write your credit card details and simply select the submit button. That's how easily you can enjoy this coupon code discount at Hostinger. So just for a revision, I've been using Hostinger from the last years. Now it's about to be 4, so I've been my experience is very good, and I highly recommend you guys to take the Hostinger hosting, especially with this coupon code deal. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.